Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Thinkings. Welcome to today's tutorial in which we are going to learn how to draw a 3D hole drawing on paper. Start by drawing a horizontal oval shape in the center of your paper. This will be the top of the hole. From the edges of the oval, draw two vertical lines downward, slightly curving them inward to suggest depth. Connect the end of the vertical lines with the curved lines, creating the bottom of the hole. It should look like a rounded shape. Inside the hole, draw additional curved lines from the top oval to the bottom. These lines should follow the curve of the hole to enhance the 3D effect. To create depth, shade on side of the hole darker, leaving the opposite sides lighter. This will give the illusion of light and shadow. Once you are happy with your drawing, you can outline it with a fine tip marker for a polished look. Note the tips for practice. Use light pencil strokes so you can easily make your adjustment. Experiment with different shapes and sizes for the whole. Practice shading techniques to improve the 3D effect. The material you need for 3D hole drawing are plain paper, pencil, ruler, eraser, fine tip marker, optional for outlining. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.